Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TPLM, a place where you can master programming. Before moving forward to the lesson, I want to remind you that if you like the video lesson, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So you will never miss a lesson. I will show a short demonstration about how to subscribe to our channel at the end of this video. Keep watching the lesson. Okay people, in this video we are going to discuss about the comments and line breaks in C++. What are comments? For example, in this program, at the top of the program, I want to write a short description of the program. So if you write the short description like this, so that will be considered as program statements. So we want to write some sentences there, but we don't want compiler to consider it as program statement. For that we use comments. Okay, comments are really helpful to increase the readability of your program. In future, when you open the program, you will understand what was the purpose of this, what was the purpose of that, what was this program, what was that program, like that. Okay, so there is two types of comments: multi-line comments and single line comments. Multi-line comments starts with /* and ends with */. Okay, so whatever you write in between this will be considered as comments. So it can go multiple lines also. So I'm going to write this one. First C++ program. Okay, this program discuss about the basic structure of C++. Okay, so these two lines will not be considered as program statement as they fall in between /* and */. Okay, because it's a multi-line command. For example, now for this cout statement we need to write a short description after this. It's a single line. Okay, so I'm going to write it like with a /. // stands for single line command. So I'm writing this code print a statement on the screen. Okay, so this also won't be considered as program statement because it starts with what? /. So /* and */ in between whatever you write is a multi-line comment, and whatever you write starting with // is a single line comment. Okay, so hope you understand what are comments and how to write the comments. Now I'm going to write one more cout statements. How many cout statements you can write in a C++ program? Many. I love C++, and I have to terminate it with a semicolon, and I'm going to compile and run this program. So when I compile and run this program, why is it not coming? It's coming. So you see, even I write in two cout statements, the output comes in a single line. So how do we make line breaks? So you have two methods for making line breaks. You can add a /n, stands for next line, at the beginning of the statement or end of the statement inside the quotation, wherever you want line break. So I'm going to add little more, one / in here, and let's try. Yeah, this one goes to the second line. Okay, and there is another method, like what you want to do is, like, after this one insert one more output operator and you write endl. Endl stands for a line break. So when I run this program, it comes in two lines. So either you can use /n or endl. For me, my favorite is /n because I can write it inside the statement itself. So I will go with /n. So I'm going to give 3 /n here. So it's going to give me 3 line breaks, and 3 /n here. It's going to give me 3 /n here. It's going to give me 3 line break there also. So when I run this, see here, 3 line breaks here, 3 line breaks here. So if I want a little more space after this, I can add at the end of this, I can make some line breaks. Okay, so when I compile and execute it, it gives me some more line breaks here. So this is how you format your C++ program output for a better look. Okay, so this video we were discussing about two types of command. One is multi-line command, and second one is what? Single line command. Okay, then we have learned about two ways of making line breaks, either by using endl or by using /n. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and in the next video we are going to discuss about how to make beep sound and how to make more spaces in the cout statement using the tab character. Bye. How to subscribe to our channel? Step 1. Click on the channel icon or view channel option to go to the channel page. Step 2. Click on the subscribe button. Step 3. Enable the bell icon to get notified when new lessons are uploaded. Congratulations, you are now subscribed and never going to miss any lesson. Thank you.